Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's jump right into it. By taking a look at the hourly time frame for IOTA, the price moved up with around 2.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 16.3 cents. But the volume wasn't very high, so the move wasn't very strong. Moving to the simple moving average, or short SMA, it is calculated by summing up the close prices for a certain amount of candles and then dividing it by the number of the candles. We use usually the last 20, 50, 100 and 200 candles to calculate the different SMAs. The SMA lines could be used to determine if a trend is currently to the downside or upside. The SMA lines could also show support and resistance levels, and breaking one of them could signal trend to the corresponding direction. Now looking at the current hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 16.2 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 16.3 cents could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Moving to the exponential moving average, or short EEMA, it is calculated in a similar way as how the simple moving average is being calculated, but places more importance on the most recent data points. A faster trend change could be signaled as the EEMA moves quicker in the current direction of the price. In order to show the trend more accurately, the ribbon we are showing is made up of 8 different EEMAs. When we now look at the current hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 16.1 cents. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Jumping to the divergences, there are 2 types of divergences, bearish or negative divergence and a bullish or positive divergence. Bearish divergence is when the price is making a higher high while at the same time the indicator is making a lower high. This shows that the buyers are exhausted and a trend change could be expected soon. The same logic applies to the bullish divergence, where the price makes a lower low, but the indicator is making a higher low, showing that the sellers are exhausted. Now looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence and the price already went up. Moving to the stochastic RSI, like the RSI, it also shows when a price has been oversold or overbought. The stochastic RSI, however, improves sensitivity and generated a higher number of signals by moving quicker up and down. It consists of the %K and %D lines. The %D line is a moving average of the %K line, meaning that it moves slower. Cross points between the 2 lines can be perceived as showing a change in the trend. Now looking at the current hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Jumping to the 3 hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 15.8 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 17.2 cents could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Moving to the 3 hourly exponential moving averages, we can see that the price is situated in the 3 hourly ribbon, so it is yet to be seen if the price can break the resistance currently at around 17.1 cents. The resistance should be relatively strong, seeing as the ribbon is spread out. Moving to the 3 hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. Nevertheless, the K line has yet to cross the D line, so it's recommended that you wait and see if the trend does in fact go down. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.